I'm Stef AB and welcome to my YouTube channel. I see my life as one big journey. On this channel you'll find beautiful locations, speed and automotive brilliance. I constantly believe in working hard and dreaming big, which has enabled me to drive and push myself out. Things don't always go to plan, but when they do, and with your support, well, see for yourself, and we get to share these successes together.
Let's make it sparkle.
Thank you for your time.
Make sure to subscribe, share our adventures with your friends, your family, and I'm going to see you guys soon. Much sooner than you think.